Welcome back to the channel. That's Ben Lawyers up there, and we're not going up that today.
Going up here instead. We're going up Meal Nan Tarmachan. We're not doing the ridge though, we're just going up to the summit.
Nice, eh? So, time to get the old yak tracks and the spikes on the boots. There's the dam, hydro dam. So we'll be up here in the summer, do a motorbike film with Enfield. But you see this road, it's great. So many places to go next year and film. Myself and with other folk as well. Anyway, we're actually not going to that summit, we're going up over the other side. So we'll catch up when we get over there, I'll give you another view. Nice though. Look at that, spectacular, isn't it? There's a wee bit of a thorn. Hold on. Ice, ice, baby. Icy again, zigzagging up, takes the steepness out the hill though, and we'll see up the top a bit further up. Look at this up ahead, that's the ridge which we are not going up. Beautiful though, absolutely beautiful. Explorers pushed on for the summit. I've got 300 meters to go. Wow. Should be up there. Let's go. Rescue helicopter out. It's real cold. Right, down we go. Still up there to go. I thought we were there. Doop. Oh well, keep going. Wow. Raven. Is that Raven?
That's no Raven, I don't think.
Is that? There's a Raven, yeah. Looking for a bit of our sandwich, he's got no chance. That's what he's up to, waiting for a feed. There you go folks, on the summit. We'll not be up here long, we've got about half an hour, it'll be dark, but we'll get the head torches on to get back to the car. It got just a bit too windy for the drone though. So sorry about that, I hope to have got up for a film, but what a view. I think that's Ben Nevis there. See it? Sticking up. I think that's Ben Nevis. But wow. Something else. Time for a cheese sandwich. There's some fuel in us for getting back down. We'll catch up with Kay. She'll be waiting for us down at the stile. Okay, see you back down there. Alright, so we're going to get off this summit. A lot quicker going down, but it actually can be harder. Get down and catch up with Kay. She could be getting cold now. She's been sitting probably half an hour. So we'll catch up, make sure she's alright. We'll get down the hill as well. Oh, this is steep, isn't it? I was going to put the camera away for this because I need all my balance to get down here. Report back at the top of that fiery hill. If we get down. Rescue helicopter. So that kind of puts it into. Actually puts it in perspective these hills and the bother you can get into if you're not careful. So that's why you get down off this snow line before it's dark. Catch up with you further down, okay? You won't see maybe in the camera, there's people on that summit. So where we summited, top of this Munro, there's our path descends and climbs up onto a ridge, goes onto that summit, and then continues down. Alistair reckoned that we'd need ropes to be roped up to do something like that today. It could be quite dangerous. Also, that's the sort of thing, a big loop like that, you'd be leaving first thing in the morning. Anyway, let's get down off the hill, up here and down. Downhill all the way now. Put the lighting out as well. Glowy. Beautiful. And look at the new moon coming up. Look at that. Fantastic, eh? Catch up further down. Look at that, eh? So, we're nearly off the snow. Just ice now. Car park down there. So, we'll just wrap this film. Hope you enjoyed that. And there'll be another Enfield film on Friday. So for the frozen wastes of Scotland, see you later. Oh, it'll be Jura whiskey tonight. Definitely some Jura. Get stuck in that new bottle I got for Christmas. See you later. Bye for now. Bye bye.